KCC105 spring term billfold to boardroom. Welcome. My name, Professor Will Johnson, Mr. Johnson Will, however you want to refer to me, but I want to make sure you have my contact info. Any questions, obviously I want to be a point of reference for you. Let me talk about the structure of our course. How does this online course work? First of all, discussion board. If you've taken an online course, you know how that works. You're going to be able to post. You're going to be able to respond to your classmates and so forth. It'll be a way to get a conversation going. But that's not the only conversation. We will also have weekly reflections. I will post all your student work, all your submitted work, and I'm going to give everybody a chance to say, hey, I like this, or, this is great, but here's another thing I might think, or, hey, this is good, but it's a work in progress. Here's X, Y, and Z you can add to it. Reflections. There are 2 student conversations. Number 1 about the material I post. Number 2 about the work that you all post. There's going to be comprehension check quizzes. If I give you an article to read, I'm not just going to say, okay, read the article. I'm going to give you the article and say, all right, take a 5-question quiz. Make sure you got the main ideas. These are going to be brief, but they're going to be an important part of the class. And then, of course, the main event, the weekly assignments. Our weekly assignments are going to be based on making infographics. In other words, take your mathematical knowledge and represent that in a graphic. Not necessarily, hey, calculate and get the right answer. But we all understand how weekly assignments work. Real quick, I want to also, that's what I'm looking for. Just jump into the Blackboard so you can see this main place things are going to live are course documents. You click there. Hey, week number 1, all the stuff is posted. You have these grids kind of telling you what you have and when you have it. Click the folders here to find the materials and to find the homework. And the last one, you'll see here's one of those comprehension checks. Down here's the assignment, and you submit it in this link down there. Obviously, if you've taken an online course, you know how to navigate Blackboard. Any questions about that, please let me know. But the last thing is, I want to also, once again, my contact info. I want to be a point for any questions that you might have. We have a class YouTube channel. You can find videos. You can actually find videos from last term as well. There's tons of resources there. Check that out. I'll have that link up on Blackboard. And last thing, each other. I want to make this an interactive class. That was part of the idea, the student reflections in the Blackboard. So don't just say, I'm not sure how to do this, and ask me. Maybe post that to your classmates. Say, hey, how did you do this? How did you make that graphic? How did you solve this assignment? The more it's a collaborative exercise, I think the better the class is going to be. That's my intro. Week number 1 work is posted. Welcome to the class. Look forward to working with you.